Hi, Kidsters. Welcome to your math lesson for today. I am so excited to be with you guys. I am Miss Hudson. All right. And for the lesson today, you do not need anything. I'm going to provide everything that you will need. The only thing that you'll need are your laser focused eyes and your listening ears. All right. Are we ready? Good. We're going to start by warming up. Okay. Let's move our fingers and let's count to 10, all right? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wiggle your fingers and let's count again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job counting. Now that our brain is all warmed up, we can get into our lesson today. And today we're just going to count objects into piles of 10. Now that you've counted to 10, and then we're going to count the piles as 10 ones, okay? So we're going to count objects to 10. We're going to put them in the pile, and then we're going to call it a pile of 10 ones. Got it? Lock it in your brain. Click, click. All right, here we go. I'm going to model first and show you guys what I mean. All right. So you guys, I have some Legos, right? I'm going to count them, and then I'm going to put them in a pile. All right. Watch me. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more. 10. All right. So I had 10 Legos, 10 ones, and I put them into a pile of 10. I put them into a pile of 10. Great job. All right. You guys see that? I had 10 Legos, and I put them into a pile of 10 ones. All right. So now you guys get to count with me this time. Okay. I have some pencils, and these are just regular pencils like we use at school, and we're going to count them and put them into a pile, okay? So this time, you guys count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. We counted 10 pencils or 10 ones, and now we're going to put them into a pile. This is very similar to when we do our calendar math and we count how many straws we have when we're counting how many days we've been in school. Very similar. You guys have done this before. So let's keep that in mind as we continue counting, all right? So we said that this was 10 pencils, right? Or 10 ones. And we are putting it into a pile. All right. Put it into a pile, similar to when we put it into a bundle. And then we have a pile, one pile of 10 ones. All right. Got it? All right. I'm going to put my pencils down for a moment. And now I have some fun colored pom poms. You guys see my pom poms? All right. So I have pom poms, they're ones, and I'm going to put it into a group. When I put it into the group, I'm just putting it into the bowl, okay? Count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pom poms, right? 10 ones. Now we have one pile of 10 ones, okay? Check this out. We have a pile of pencils here. We have a pile of pom-poms. We now have 2 piles of 10 ones, okay? Here's one, here's one. 2 piles of 10 ones, all right? But we are not done. I'm sitting those things down, those piles. I'm going to get some more materials. These are fun colored pencils, right? We're going to count these as well and make a new pile, all right? Count with me. 1, 2, great job. Count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did we have? We had 10 ones, and we're going to make it a pile, okay? I'm just putting a rubber band on it, making it a pile, all right? So, how many piles do we have now? Take a minute and think about that, all right? So, remember, here's our first pile, so that's 1. It's our second pile, that's 2. Here's our third pile. How many piles do we have? 1, 2, 3. Great job counting. All right, I'm going to put those materials down. I'm going to get another. All right, so I have some borax. I use my daughter's borax. Okay, and I'm going to count those, and I'm going to put those in a pile as well. This time, I'm going to put them in a baggie. All right, count with me. I need to hear you. All right, guys, make videos and send them to your teacher so that I can hear you guys counting, all right? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We had 10 borax or 10 wands, and we now have them in a pile. All right, they're in a pile. 10 ones are now in a pile. All right, how many piles do we have now? Yes. All right, let's count. Here's our first pile. We have 1, 2, 3, and now we add our bag 4. How many piles did we have? We had 4. All right, let's count that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 piles of objects, right? And there were 10 in each pile. 10 ones in each pile, all right? So now we're going to use pictures, and we're going to count together, all right? So I've created some pictures, and you guys know that Miss Hudson is not the best artist, but we're going to make it work, okay? So we're going to pick to see which group has 10 objects, okay? And we know how to count objects. We cross them off as we count, all right? So let's take a look here. I made some smiley faces, and I want to know which group between the smiley faces and the stars have 10 in them, all right? I want to know which one is a group or a pile of 10. Let's count the smileys first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 10. I'm going to write the number 10 there so I don't forget. Now I'm going to count the stars. I'm going to use a different color to count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to write the number 9 right there so I don't forget. Now, which group had the group of 10? The smiley faces. So I'm going to circle the smiley faces. All right. Now, let's move on. We're going to look at the squares and the triangles. All right. And we're going to figure out which group has 10. Let's count the squares first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to write the number 7 there so that I can remember there were 7. Now I'm going to count the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There were 10. I'm going to circle this group because that is a pile of 10. There are 10 objects there. All right. Lastly, let's count how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to write the number 10 there. All right. Let's count how many hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll write the number 8 there to help me remember which group had a pile of 10. It was this group with these weird shapes that I created. All right. So guys, today we just did some counting. We were looking to find groups of 10, piles of 10. We made 4 piles with 10 ones in each group or in each pile. And we're going to continue to build on this tomorrow, all right? Great job counting today, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.